The welding program, the way we start with the freshmen first, I started with an intro into welding. They learn all the basics and the safety basics before they actually go into the lab. And we go over the blueprint. And then the second year they come back, I start doing NCCR, the core, the safety part of the chapter. I introduce them more into the level welding 1. That's to complete the NCCR certification. And that's when they get the point for the CCMR.
Honestly, being part of the welding program, it's awesome. You get to experience real-world situations while you're welding. We learn hand-eye coordination, how to read blueprints, and do all that. To graduate, we need to get our NCCR. And the NCCR is a program where you do some assignments in the classroom, and then you do a performance test.
Part of the things we do in this class is we practice our NCCR and do enrollment so we could finish our high school with a certification for welding. I like being part of the welding because it helps knowing that I have something to back me up in the workforce so I could get a higher chance of getting the job.
When they complete their NCCR, they're ready to go and work in the field. That's my priority when a senior finished the program. And this coming year, what we did in the spring, we started doing Duke credit with South Texas College. So now the student, as a junior, he can start taking the Duke credit classes. When they finish here with me, when they're seniors, they're gonna come out with a structural certification from South Texas College.